Good afternoon to all my dear students. As some student last day asked some questions from the assignment number 1, the question number 2 and 9. They want the solution of these questions. So today I'm doing those two questions. So the question first which I'm taking is, if the matrix A is this and A square is equal to lambda A, then write the value of lambda. So in this question we have given the matrix A, and as we have know this equation is given A square is equal to lambda A. So for this putting the value on this equation, we need the value of A square. So first we have to find the value of A square. So A square means A into A. So by doing the multiplication, the value of A square we got 18 minus 18 minus 18 and 18. So now we will put the values in this. A square is equal to lambda A. In place of A square, value of A square lambda A, this. So from here, when now these two matrices are equal, it means 3 lambda is equal to 18 and minus 3 lambda is equal to minus 18. So from here we will see here that the value of lambda is equal to 6. So it means the value of lambda is equal to 6. So in this way we will solve this question. And now the next question, the question number 9 of the assignment. Let A is this matrix. By mathematical induction, we have to show that an is equal to 1 minus 2n minus 4n and 1 plus 2n, where n belongs to n. So as you know that when we have to solve the mathematical induction, we are solving the question in 3 steps. Step 1, when n is equal to 1, and then we have to make that sense true. Then step number 2 means when the result is true for n is equal to m or k, and then step 3 we have to prove that the result is also true for n is equal to k plus 1 or m plus 1. So let's see now the questions. As this question, step 1 is we will take let n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1 means here in place of n we have to put the value 1. So it is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 1 plus 2 into 1. Then we have minus 1 minus 4 1 3, and then this value is equal to the matrix A, same. So it means the result is true for n is equal to 1. Now step number 2, we have to assume that step number 2 is that let us assume that result is true for any positive integer m. So in place of n, now we have to put n is equal to m. So am is equal to 1 minus 2m minus 4m m 1 plus 2m. How it get? Because we have to put in place of n m. Where n is there, we have to write m. Now step number 3, we have to prove that result is also true for n is equal to m plus 1. So we will put n is equal to m plus 1 here. So by putting this, what we got in the left side, am plus 1 means am into a. That means the value of am we have to take from here. We will put here 1 minus 2m minus 4m m 1 plus 2m into a. A is the value which is given in the question. So after multiplications, we got these values, and from here we can see here we got minus 1 minus 2m minus 4 minus 4m 1 plus m 3 plus 2m. Now we have to make it in that form, so I'm just doing a little more work. 1 minus, I can write it as this, minus 1 minus 2m as 1 minus 2m minus 2, and minus 4 minus 4m as it is, 1 plus m as it is, 3 plus 2m I can write as 1 plus 2m plus 2. Why I'm writing, let's see here, because I have to write it in the same like this form. I have to make here 1 minus 2m plus 1. So for making that, see, 1 minus 2 we are taking common, m plus 1. This we got from here, and from here I got minus 4 common outside, then it is m plus 1, 1 plus m. This is m as it is, and here 1 plus 2 bracket m plus 1. So now we see here that this result is also true for n is equal to m plus 1. And by mathematical induction, we see that the required result is true for n belongs to n. Hence it is proved that the given question is true. Now last day we did one questions by shortcut also to find the inverse of a matrix. So today I'm giving you these questions 5, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So do these questions in your copies. just to find the inverse of a matrix. Why I'm telling this? Because first I want you should be able to find the inverse of a matrix. When we will be able to do, then we will able to do these questions. Like here, this type of question are always asked in the exam, so we can do this type of the question. After that, I will use the application of determinant and matrix to solve the equations. That we will do tomorrow. But today you have to tell me the exact timing, at what time you want your online classes, in morning, yeah, in evening. So please today tell me this all things clearly, then tomorrow I will start the classes at that time. Thank you and have a nice day.